Hey Kia Soul owners, I'm Mike. I own a Kia Soul 1.6 liter 2012, and it's had floor mats in it that have needed to be changed out for a while. However, when I got these officially licensed replacement mats, which were advertised to work for the 2011-2012 years, it came with this hook and slot system, which is not what my car has. After getting the mats and finding out that they had the wrong floor hook system, I was told there was no adapter kit for the mats either. The retailer offered me a return, but I decided to keep the mats and see what I could do, maybe with the old hardware and the new mats. And this is what I found out. My car has a hole and peg system. So just a nice little circular donut here with a cylinder peg in my floor. So the new mat would not work for the old mat. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the old hardware out of the old mat and the new hardware out of the new mat and replace the new mat hardware with the old mat hardware. And this is gonna be as simple as plying this off the back, hopefully. So come into the back side of the mat, get under the lip. These two pieces are only plastic, so they will hopefully come apart as easily for you as they are for me right now. Luckily, we can do the same to the new mat. The peg system here is the same as the old mats, so you can pry it apart, leaving nothing but the hole in the fabric. That just pops out. We're going to take the old hardware, top and bottom here, and we're just going to put that back in. So this seems to work best if you flip the mat over, take the top piece, insert it first so it comes out the back side of the mat, and then fit this to it. And it should snap tight. There we go. And we've got one system replaced and the second and final system. Okay, so the top goes in first to the back side of the mat, and that should just snap tight. Simpler. There we go. And there you have it. 1 and 2. That's the new mat with the old floor peg system. Hope you found this helpful. Take care, everybody.